Next up, new neighbors. Before we begin, check out maps.techno.co where you'll find this video as well as thousands of others detailing everything you need to know about every quest, each step, and it even rotates based on your faction. Complete quests easier, maps.techno.co, Arena Breakout Infinite, and now Grey Zone Warfare. For this, we'll need to investigate the checkpoint northeast of YBL-1. This unlocks a new location in the southwest of the map, YBL-1, starting off at LZ Lima 2. There are a few more landing zones here, including Lima 1 just up here. Let's do it. Giving this a closer read, where we need to head is the bridge right over here. So that's exactly where we'll go, closest to Fort Northeast and YBL-1. On the way back, we'll be heading to this location here to grab the secondary landing zone to get out. There's apparently one here too, but that's the one that we're interested in closer to us. So for now, we'll run away here and make our way down. So right over here is where we need to head. Not quite YBL-1, but right over here on this bridge. So approaching this here, we'll see this truck and LLA checkpoint. And there we go, hitting F on the door of the truck here. We reported findings, and that's that. And now what we need to do is check the checkpoint northwest of YBL-1, which is, well, this one up here. So on the way, we'll pass the next landing zone here as we make our way up the dirt road towards Fort Northeast. This is quite a jog. There are some more AIs on the road, so just be aware of that. It's not completely a cakewalk. Continuing in this direction, we've eventually unlocked Lima 1, which is great. Now we just need to head across to this other bridge here, and I assume this other checkpoint up here, that's probably where we're going. Anyways, let's continue. We've reached some more AI on the road, shooting rubber bullets, I guess, at these ones. This other checkpoint here that we've just reached, we want to walk around to the backside here. So it wasn't quite where I thought it was. It's down here, actually. 140, 125. This little radio we need to activate, and boom, there we go. Now that we've done both of these, checking our tasks, next we need to investigate what is hidden in the jungle west of the checkpoint and locate any intel which we'll retrieve and bring back. West is this way. So looking from here, there's a couple of bodies here. We'll head across to them southwest. Nothing here. Continuing. More AI this way. Bulletproof AI. We're definitely on the right path. Over here in the bush, super difficult to see. This spot over here is where we need to head. This is the third and final location for this quest. You'll find some more enemies there. And while this path does technically lead you there, it's very easy to run way past where you're supposed to. Or at least it's difficult to follow the path. Either way, heading up here, you should eventually see this little place and a few guards roaming around it. Unfortunately, they can see through trees better than you can. But clearing out 1, 2 guards, a third, and a fourth, I think this place is probably clean now. So around here, we need to find something. There's a bit of loose loot, it seems. Mosin, pistol, pretty good stuff just sitting around. I'm pretty sure that inside of this building, drinking up and resetting on food and water. So towards this tent over here with the target in it, difficult to see where, I suppose, you'll find on the table a attack plan, which we need to pick up, and it's a 1x1 item in your inventory. Then finally, we just need to take this back to Handshake, and we're done with this mission. Also quickly, super rough note while editing, if you look to your left from this table, you'll find a map on the wall. If you walk up to it and shove your nose into it, hold interact, I'm pretty sure it'll either give you another quest to do, or it'll expand on this in some way or another. It has something to do with quests. I'm not entirely too sure if it's got to do with this one in particular or another one, but just shove your nose into the map and see if you can interact with it. It's up on the wall right next to this table on your left. So now I'd probably recommend using the LZ here to get back. Or of course, if you wish, you could head up north here and grab this landing zone just to activate it. In fact, that's probably even closer. That's about the same. You know what? Let's do it. So coming across here, we should eventually reach the other landing zone. I think it's actually more out in this green here. There we go, Delta 3, and I'll head back from here. Now that we got back, we can finally hand in this quest. There we go, new neighbors complete. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot. I'll see you all next time. Ciao.